Do you want to be outside year-round, but the cold weather is stopping all the fun? You can try all kinds of ways to stay warm. Jumping jacks, chemical hand warmers, and even getting a little too close to the fire. But nothing quite works when it's freezing. Introducing the GoSun Blanket. A 12-volt heated travel throw that's a perfect companion to make your next winter adventure more enjoyable. You can take it camping, to watch the game, enjoy warmth on the couch, and it becomes an integral part of your preparedness kit. Use the blanket in a variety of ways. You can wrap yourself up, use it as a seat warmer, lay on it, or snuggle up with someone. With one of the industry's highest heat ratings, GoSun Blanket is as wide as a queen-size bed and has multi-heat controls so you can tune it for your own comfort needs. Powered by 12 volt, the blanket heats up in minutes from any car, truck, boat, or RV. The battery included in the Blanket Pro can run for over 4 hours, so you can keep warm on the go. And since we are GoSun, you can recharge with any of our solar solutions. It has been hard to watch people freeze their tails off while stuck in their cars on the interstate or inside their homes during a power outage. So we are doing something about it. Now, with the GoSun Blanket, you can always access magical and immediate heat. We want to thank you for joining the fuel-free frontier. From all of us at GoSun, we hope you enjoy warmth where and when you need it.